Good morning. I am Luis Paulino of CUNY Citizenship now. We are here today with Managing Attorney Stephanie Delia to talk about the changes in the DACA program. As many of you have heard by now, the courts have ordered that the administration continues to process DACA applications. Let's turn now to our attorney, Ms. Delia, to provide details about how this particular decision is impacting current DACA recipients.
Thank you, Luis. So the case that Luis is referring to is a case in California. A California district judge granted California's request that the DACA applications continue to be processed while the cases regarding DACA play out in court. So specifically on January 9th, 2018, the judge granted California's request, and on January 13, 2018, U.S. Department of Homeland Security agreed to continue to apply the judge's request and continue to reaccept DACA applications. Just to be specific, the group of people that are the most affected by this are the people whose applications expired on September 5th, 2016 or later. If you fall within that group, that means that your DACA is likely to be expiring within the next 6 months. You may reapply immediately. If your DACA status expired prior to September 5th, 2016, you may still reapply. However, it's a different process for you. You're going to be applying as a late initial application. In essence, anyone who has ever had DACA will be able to apply to renew, and that is specifically in response to this judge's decision. Unfortunately, those who's never had DACA will not be able to get it now. And unfortunately, those who would like to apply for advanced parole will no longer be able to do so. But if you have ever had DACA at any point, you will be able to renew or apply for a late initial application.
Is there any harm for DACA recipients to apply?
So generally, no. If you've ever had DACA and nothing has changed between the time that you had it and now, you may simply reapply. However, if you have had any arrests, or if you have traveled with or without permission, or if you have had any contact with immigration whatsoever, you should see an attorney or an immigration specialist prior to submitting the application. And we simply want to advise you on whether or not it's a good idea for you and if there are any risks involved. But as a general rule, if you've ever had DACA, it is very likely going to be a good idea for you to apply.
Thank you, Stephanie. And to assist, CUNY Citizenship now has organized 2 emergency clinics to help applicants submit their applications now. These 2 clinics are going to take place at the School of Professional Studies tomorrow, January 18th from 4 to 8, and next week on Tuesday, January 23rd at the same location and at the same time.
So do not forget, if your DACA is going to expire September 5th, 2016 or later, you must reapply ASAP. The number to call is 646-664-9400.
Y para esas personas que obviamente hablan en español, recuerde que si su DACA ya ha expirado o va a expirar durante los próximos 6 meses, pueden llamar para solicitar una cita al 646-664-9400. Nuevamente, ese es el 646-664-9400.
Thanks to our sponsors. We really appreciate all of your support. And we look forward to helping as many participants as possible.
Thank you.